Moderator black and mute there for my life now. Go on, D, go on. This look like a prank, couldn't know a prank. You take me so till I could have take plane. And me help you. And you tell me. Trev look at me and tell me say never ask me for no money. If you pay no book, if you pay no chuck and if you might get him must Tikki and this and that and horse better than Kobe fat. And me I say just because me no want you all of the pressure they pay and the whole of the money they pay you. Me I go help you. I go say you never ask me if you come in at the chuck and you never ask me for this. And now when me tell you say me now come here and call me then I tell me if you come. This a can't be prank. This a can't be prank. This a can't be prank. And you want cheat me bad and you want throw me under the bus and take me out under the bus when you're ready. And nobody must see and accept it. Everybody must see and just say, oh yes, we accept it. He must cheat himself for truth. Tikki ain't nobody. Tikki love cause. Tikki baga. Tikki wicked. Make him go. Trev a good somebody. Trev bougie. Look how the boy pretty. The boy now do Tikki nothing. But 3 people might ride with me and say, yeah, use me. The people might pick up for me. Yeah, go talk about blood clot prank. What kind of prank? Prank when me say, Trev, come at me and you go do this. Or come at we go do that for the media. And I want money off for them. Which blood clot prank? Me and you work prank. Me don't like your pussy. This is like a go so couldn't my dad tell me sister nearly. I don't want to tell me sister. What Trev now wish me? What Trev now wish me? So what Trev do me to blood clot Alia. He was at that plank. So what Trev do me to blood clot, he was at that dead. You know how tell me say no wish no dead theme. Joaz. So what Trev no do me, he was at that dead. You don't long me at that blood clot boy they attack for me a 14-year-old and the boy a 12-year-old. And Trev see the boy on my phone scream and take a picture you see him phone take the boy a picture off of my phone scream. And put up the boy picture on blood clot TikTok. Me have the boy on my phone scream.
Tikki.
And me and the boy attack for me a 14 and the little boy a 12. And Trev you see him phone take the boy a picture Joaz.
Tikki.
And the worst man me ever take a Trev. I feel like I would have stabbed myself.
Tikki.
I feel like I would have killed myself, you know. I feel like I'm clocked, you know. I feel like I will kill myself, you know. Just Joe.
Tikki, calm down. Listen to me, calm down. You know why you want to be in America, right? You know. And Tikki, your mother who want to see this. You want your mother proud of you.
No,
want
me
your
get
father
one.
proud of you.
Me get one about you think nobody. And me take Trev out a coach. And me take Trev out a coach. And me make Trev live life in America. And me make Trev live life fire. And me make Trev everything what Trev don't know. And me make Trev blood clot. And me make Trev Getty. And me make Trev Town. And me make Trev be a man. And me see a 5-year-old now, you catch a people yard. You can't catch a people yard and be a man. You can't afford me and catch a no boy yard. You can't afford me and catch a no boy yard. You have to be a man.
Tikki, you see, this is the time. We understand all of that. And as much as people may fail to understand, a lot of we get used and abused. But Tikki, you have to leave out that forget amount of money where you spend. Leave out of that place before police come again.
Joaz, I rather go a blood clot Fort Augustus in America or GP in New York. I rather go a GP up in New York or Rockford Island. Go spend my blood clot time. That if you 2 weeks go spend time. Listen to me nah blood clot. Left here so think out the white boy them have them called a freaky show and dirtiness in my house so me pay for it 2 weeks to get left out, it 2 weeks to under the bus. One now go left one.
Alright, so guess what? So you not talk to him and him not talk to you.
Period. But just so I go talk about prank, me make people know say me not prank them because this cannot be a prank. I don't like you. I hate you like a pipe.
You see what he do? He go to the landlord with the loudness and remember police call.
Everything, yeah, Ivan tell him, and he's a big manipulator, Joes. You see, bigger, and he doesn't only manipulate a child or his partner. He believes if you and him have a good
But
communication or relationship.
you not see the setup. Remember, you not see the setup. The landlord is aware of the loudness and the behavior, plus the police. You see, anytime they come back again,
Auntie Joe's again.
The problem.
Wait, no, Auntie Joe. You see, through the way, he's not only manipulate to him partner or him mother or him woman or him man or your little or him daughter, as long as you and him have a communication. The boy, and we never know ungrateful though, I think he only manipulates. As long as you and him have a communication, he manipulates you. Things have to go for him with you. Things have
So
to
guess
go
what,
his
Tikki?
way.
Tikki, people been telling you. You see all
I
of this.
never
He
see.
set up, you know. He set you up, you know. Him
Hey.
set up your big time.
Tikki.
Hey, and the
Look here.
wickedest boy I
The
ever see, man. And the
landlord.
wicked and
Look
the
here.
dangerous
Look
boy
here.
I ever see.
Look
If me
here.
never
Look
access
here.
me,
The
me a dead man right
landlord.
there, so.
Look here.
If me never access
The
me, a dead boy, and the
landlord.
wickedest boy I ever see. The
Tikki, the
wickedest boy I ever
landlord.
see, Joas.
Look here, Tikki. The
The boy said,
landlord know
Joas,
about
let me
your
tell you
behavior.
something. Let me tell you something.
The
You know, say,
police
I don't want
know.
to talk about
You
landlord
see,
and they do
anytime
you
again,
know.
you will
You
be
know,
the
so we and
problem.
Auntie Joas, you know, so I'll not talk everything for this. Me did not plan to say, all right then. Instead, I would go talk to him on the media, but would still either talk to him, man. You understand, treat him like a little man. But you see something what he said tonight, when me say death,
Tikki.
power, life, now principality in a rule of darkness could make me look back this. And not even if they say hold it. If me a dead around my room, me no want nobody to say, how carry Tikki go carry Tikki go to hospital. Trev look for Tikki. No, I read I dead. I hate the boy like a pies because of one thing when he say, oh, you feel travel and me can ease off pressure for you. And you try to use the kindness so me try and help you. So you can kind of get less expend. Me I help you. Me not take up my money give you willingly, but me I help to ask you. Me not help you with half of the money, but me I help the money to ask you. You say you tell me if you not come. Of course you tell me if you not come because me and you have an argument. Me and you that one at the time. Me and you cool and you start beg me if you come with you. You start talking me if you come. You start deal with me nice if you come. You tell me if you not come that time. Then you tell me if you come. Then you tell people to tell me if you come. And on to the last you tell me say Tikki you know better come. Take the bus and come. And you still go ahead and book Uber. When me look me see the Uber app coming from my phone. So the drive is 2 minutes away. Me say how you tell me say must take bus and come and the drive is 2 minutes away. Is a boy there's a demons. Either I'm wicked.
You're sleeping with your enemy.
Listen to me. Either him is wicked, either him is lie, either him is a demons, or either him a take coke.
Tikki, you're
Either him
sleeping
take
with your
coke.
enemy and you need to
Smiley.
accept it.
Smiley,
Mm-hmm.
Smiley, you see the big problem?
Yes?
This can't be a joke when police involved.
Of are your landlord. Listen,
Police,
basically what we get from it, Tikki,
and
is
you
that he
remember,
wants to get you out
No, listen to me.
and
He never had nowhere to
Exactly.
stay. And he don't want to stay at junior yard. So he called me and he make it be nice and he don't have nowhere to go because he don't have no credit.
make
So he
it in the
called
night
me.
until
And
you
me
find
watching.
somewhere.
Remember me have links, you know. You see me have heavy links. So me watching, me say, Chin, why you look around for me and me tell Chin how you go and me deal with Chin. If you get the room and everything and me know if you make Chin get the room. So you see Chin never have no to live in nice so me be. Now you go move.
Yeah, till on the move.
But as
Once
first,
you reach a problem,
you know me talk. But as first, we're gonna move in as friend until if you work down the line and this and that and blah 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 and half ready than Kobe fat. Alright, me still not say nothing. And you tell me this and you tell me that. And you're nice because the guy only tell you say you have 1 week left in the house. So you want the house now. As you come the first day you come in the house. Me a talk on my phone. I'm Tikki you too loud. So I say, Trev, what you mean by me too loud? I talk me a talk on my phone and I'm like say me and nobody a cuss. Me walk go in the room when you see a film. When I go in the room, I see what text coming from my phone. Junior is going back to New York on Sunday. You can follow him. I say, Jesus Christ, already the people them they say them are giving 3, 1 week, 1 month, 2 years, and not even 1 hour. I say, all right, then let me hear how this a go. Let me tell you how Trev wicked. Trev realize saying can get the house now. Trev feel saying can rank for TikTok or selling see if you pay the bills because I want to nasty boy. I mean not have to say certain things, but a dirty life, you know. You know like we go for fuck up and call all a book all a 5, 6 boy and then do a heap of nasty Mr. Jonah freaky and nasty just like him and so dirty people them. So the two of them want to catch us so boy and freaky out the things they now go do it when me there because they know me chat too much.
Me know that forget the way you pay them and them, yeah.
Listen to me now. So anyway, he say in the certain things and in doing. She realized him can't get nowhere to use to get the whole. The guy know don't like me when he live with it. The guy don't like me when he live with it. So the guy end up putting out because of me, because he start communicate with me. When Trev communicate with me, Trev benefit from it. So Trev end up put me over the guy in a somewhere. He don't put me over the guy, but you me make him make the money from the TikTok and me him follow up to the crowd with him and me again the boss everything. He agree to leave out. Now the guy see me and him conspire, the guy see me and him bed. See the guy has a Trev, this don't look good at all, come back at home. You know I go walk back at home after you pay more than $3,000 come from New York and so. Buy how much something come from New York and so. How much sitting off a wish list, waste your time, your patience, pass all your business, do everything. You lose more than $10,000 because of that the guy there. And then the guy you go call you in your back door if you come in. When you see this high school where me would go. You see the high school where me would go skin out my body again. The high school where me would go skin out my body again. Mother said to him, so which blood clot you can't call me back? What you could have called me back, Fico?
You know, you fail to accept, Tikki. You build Trev.
Wait, no.
You give Trev that strive. That Trev is a nobody.
Exactly.
I agree with you.
Yep. I just want to tell Tikki this. Tikki, you left New York to go all the way to Florida with no game plan, nothing. You understand?
You know, Brian, you can't be something.
Trev, nobody do money, you know.
Mighty God.
What you tell him in that mask?
Tikki, you know, say anything I get tonight?
Yes, I'm not taking it because I'm not sure. I'm not taking it. I don't know.
You can't go in any room. I mean, you think so when you sit down there so and shove up and spin and lock up your mouth and see Trevor go why you? Trev still eat you.
Let me want him. I'm in the middle of
eat you like Pizer.
But Tikki, you watching
Eat you like Pizer.
But Tikki, you want him. You want him because every minute you go on him live and watch him.
What kind of depending life?
You're upset.
You must bring them down.
But Tikki, that's obsession because he's not watching your live.
I want you the big done world so good girl them call me. You must know which
You go always call me.
Let me take them picture in the background and show them how me go to work. I like how me that try a change. Stop calling me, my girl. I stop calling me blood clan. You don't let me lose respect to you.
Kira asks what do me. Me don't want them beat Tikki in there. That do me. I don't want them to beat him in there. I know listen.
Just leave me alone, yeah?
Tikki, what the people talking?
Clap people like a hoe.
And them a provoke Tikki and Tikki a fall feel.
Madam, me call nobody name like when me say so good
No, me never remember what you say.
No, you said it's so good. You say you want to see if nobody over there bring it up.
We speak so good, girl.
Yeah.
Sean, allow me alone. You never burn no speed band for me. You better get over that show, you know, leave me go dash no. Oh.
Me see, that's why I tell him to go in and I don't want him to listen and set it and then when you look the same thing happen when you lick him with body and draft the weed.
Tikki, when the boy backs off your hat.
So I keep telling him to go in and
Stop it, Trev, no stop.
Trev, I'm going to lick off.
Making what, Trev?
You're going to lick off that top of your head.
And me make you know my blood clot. And him not compare for me off. So no matter about him not have parties, me I go see if him not compare for me off. You not call me off.
Tikki, oh my God.
Him say him, you hear him say Emily, him say everything, him say all along, I provoke Tikki. Yeah, him say of course I'll admit it. I've been provoking him, yes, and I'm not gonna stop.
So good girl, I tell him say wrong. You think them a blood clot, tell him say wrong.
Yeah, him say I provoke Tikki. Him say I've been provoking him and I'm not gonna stop.
Them in the box that tell him say wrong. You think he old fuck out generation matches them and tell him say wrong?
Before you go in your room, go make sure say you protect your documents them and you sit them in your sit down here so.
My documents them alright, me see them for my bed, because I did sketch out everything to pack up them and I could get to pack up them kind of years.
Tikki, can you calm down, please? Calm down now.
We have to pack up his stuff then.
What a handicap, Tierra, your favorite handicap, no blood clot. Tierra, you look one syndrome. Me can't suck your car, you no done me. Me can't suck y'all when you done me. Anything when me suck, our good. Anything when me suck, our good.
Tikki, stop now.
No blood clot, you look the farm. Tierra, you open no blood clot. Your favorite two look to the cat and we can be a chat you. Then eat no blood clot. The only thing you have in your bag about and go like you have money. Tierra, you're so good. You fuck out. Go suck your mother. You walk and fuck like bunny rabbit. Don't know Tierra, you're ugly. Turn on your camera, your favor Zebedee no blood clot.
Tikki not done. I'm going in your room.
Blood clot, your favor under Rosalie. Tierra come suck out the wall. Come suck out the pussy thinking, girl. I know come in, hey, girl. Hey, don't make a skin out the battle. Hey, the camera put it on the direction. Make a skin out the wall in that blood clot. Go suck your mother. Big pussy Tiara. You walk and fuck like rabbit. Thinking whore.
Don't laugh, Emily. Tikki need to hear and go in her room.
Let you a free pussy. You walk and fuck
him.
like blood clot. Your pussy to sell. Fuck out. Yeah, pussy be tell. Tierra alone I stand up for who? Tierra alone stand up for me. Me a good girl.
Suspect Tikki now little car from there. Trev them over them live a plan for Tikki.
Yes,
and saying get show Tikki sitting tomorrow. So before you go in your room, go watch
when
your
you show me.
In same them gonna show you something tomorrow. And see them a pack up for go. Go in your room, go protect your Tikki then.
Go suck your mother, Tiara.
Oh, liar, boy.
Tikki, alright, Tikki. Alright, Tikki, enough.
Suck your mother, Tiara.
Tikki, enough is enough
That's
now.
gonna blood clot, boy.
Tikki, enough is
No,
enough.
talking about ya. Who no read up me, who no blood clot read up me. They no Google about me any.
Me say them gang him in there.
They no
Emily have to go help him now.
Me mother tell him you Google about me last night.
Emily have to go help him now because Jamaica me there.
They no Google about me.
Tikki, can you go inside your room, please?
Yeah, they no
Hear it now?
Tikki, okay, enough is enough now. Can you go inside your room?
Me nah blood clot left.
You see him stubborn? You see him stubborn?
Tikki,
By talking to me, Sean,
Watch
you
him.
lower your standard. Not only answer me when you want communicate to me, you lower your standard. Bitch! Bitch! If you want to get down there, bitch, come never see you. Blood clot.
No matter what I do.
If you want me to get down there now, we can go in at that pussy. Me never get kill
you. Tikki, people can't talk to you.
Him not listen to nobody.
Tikki, people can't talk to you, Tikki. Why you have to wait till something do you before you learn?
And when things do him now him ball.
Me nah left free out of the living room when me first day or so.
Alright, Tikki, we want to talk to you privately. Can you go inside the room for 10
Me
minutes?
nah going there in my room. I just saw me at and come never see that.
So you now go pack up your things.
Alright, then go up on your next phone and
You
listen
now go
what I
pack
say
up
in the
your
room.
important documents them when
Alright,
you say
Tikki,
scatter out
you
from the
can go on
bed.
your phone and listen on your next phone and go inside the room. If you want to argue with her in the room. Okay?
And listen for your next phone.
Listen for your next phone. Take up your phone.
Go take up your
inside the
documents
room
them off of the
and
bed.
go do what you have to.
Me documents them alright, my mother.
Alright, so go into the room then.
Yeah,
So get up now and go in the room, make you stubborn so.
me nah going to the room. In the room like gone in there.
So go, you say you have TikTok stand?
Him have ring light.
You never want ring light?
Go ring light there.
What is the you know, so that's why they
If I get a long time, I fuck them check themselves. Why would I do that? I don't think I do it. I work on my phone.
Watch him.
Don't call me phone. Don't call me blood clot phone. Yes, you want to go. If you are good, you're remember me never see you. Oh, blood clot, no, Trevor, tonight, I want to see Trevor, a pretty face they have, and dirty character, me, they can't come back over like somebody, me, I get somebody to the one of them, I cut alone because, we never talk to no matter.
Me no know when Tikki gonna learn enough. Sitting I go reach you for you learn. Sitting I go reach you for you learn. And that me I tell you.
We go talk to nobody about our ghetto style. People must blood clot, so me have enough to answer. But ghetto style, some people live a uptown life, but a dirt. They live a uptown life with a dirty blood clot character, and a downtown. They live a uptown fierce life and them character a downtown lifestyle. Check out some people character. We think we can't look at me face.
Yeah, what Tikki me gone? Cause you not listen me gone.
Me a come off a blood clot table. Alright, me mother.
Tikki say everybody gone left and then everybody attack.
Nah, stop. Cause me never see them. Me the writers who attack Emmy. Me never see the bitch them. Me see these pussy girl them take me up. I me don't see them. I don't
go in the room then. Go in the room then and
I don't want me to get mad. Me the see them. No come suck out me pussy. Me the see blood clot. You know.
So go in the room then. Go in the room. Why you for going to the room? The room why you going to?
Me not going to no room.
Tikki the people say I'm gonna call police. Them say I'm gonna call police this time. Oh.
We have a quick like about prank. Yeah, prank media.
Tikki.
Once upon a time, I would be supposed to make him start thinking I didn't want him. Maybe you must start
no.
This man in yesterday, different thing.
Trev, bring the man come at the place.
How would this Ivani?
What happened?
Yes, after I boy come here to look while I video me par live everything. Over there bring me down with blood clot, Emmy par live, go over there in the Emmy box and bring me down, go over film live, go taxi, prank me and prank me. How you would have feel this bestie?
Tikki, it is 4:23 a.m. in the morning.
Oh my God.
Tikki, you cannot get at 4:23 a.m. not p.m. Tikki.
Oh my God, thank you, Barney. Him don't even know where my
Tikki, you have neighbors now because you live in a penthouse. Tikki, you live on 8th floor, 10th floor, level floor. It are gonna reach out and the police are gonna come lock you up.
Oh.
You look like you have to go learn the hard way. Look at look all the time late. So, I swear to God, woman Trev can't in the house and you fight. You can't really behave about somebody else upon them live. Even if him say a prank, you know, wait till a morning light at 4:23 a.m.
Me say.
Who prank the media? You?
Yes, you prank me, the media. It's like the fuck.
Tikki, I let you shouldn't even look bad because you know see a lie, Tikki. You could have just laughed and say, guys,
Ivan, when him go and come out, post this, I'm not answer him, I go see a true.
You don't have to answer in this way. You could have turned on your live with a calm voice and say, guys, don't make Trev fool on it. It's no
prank. And say reach. Me attack and the girl in the back start call me name. And I start to bring me down and me not talk about them. Me say the big pussy girl them start bring me down the box.
Tikki, I wonder if you know. I wonder if you know which state. Let me ask you a question. I wonder if you know which state you're in. You think you're in one, you think you're Miami, the redneck state, if I'm not wrong. Miami, enough for people like you, you know.
Let me hear Auntie Joe say. Yes, Auntie Joe.
Alright, here we are, Auntie say. Guys, who don't text me and who don't send back Tikki live, come give me. Tikki, me sorry for saying, but I've been done with you and Trev after today. Have a good
so
life.
So when you say, I'm only telling me over there, so because they're in our back.
Tikki.
So calm down, Tikki. Because when you say a while ago, I feel that way too.
Let me say something to you. Let me say something to you. You see, the next time,
the people them poke you.
The people them cannot get you out of that apartment. Like by reporting, they probably can't get you off making noise. But if you get a lot of complaint, remember I do listen. So if you get a lot of complaint from the residents, it's an automatic termination. They can terminate you because they're gonna prioritize their clients. Understand them now? Prioritize just one somebody. Sure. And listen, I wouldn't be able to talk to you, if you listen to me. But I'm telling you, I've lived in a penthouse before in Nashville. You understand? So me know how it goes. That is not just random place that you're living, and especially if you're on the highest floor. The highest floor is always like the penthouse. Penthouse are people that make 6-figure weekly, not or even per day. You understand? And it's just a common place you're there. You have to think before you act, regardless of whatever's going on. I don't care about you and your boyfriend. At the end of the day, me and then, and I'm saying this to you as a friend. Leave the bugger off. You see, one thing I always tell people, I don't even bring people to my house. And that's not because you see, your house, first and foremost, you should even post your address. You're wrong.
I wasn't the one that posted it.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, but listen, I'm saying to you, when it comes to where you lay your head, it's not somewhere you play with. You understand? You have to. You are so.
And that's Gemini talking
when I
to
say
you,
this,
Tikki.
but you are a social media influencer. A lot of people that you just support, nobody's supposed to know what you live. They're not supposed to know you live. They can view as much as you're on social media. If people on social media help you, right, to get an apartment, you can say, guys, this is the kitchen, this is the that, this is that. You don't have to show them that even through your fucking window. You understand? They don't have to know where you live. They could have been known you live in Miami, right? And when I see the video, I love everybody on here. You understand? When I saw the video with you getting arrested, or if you did get arrested, I felt so bad. Because you know what I said to myself? 2 things you don't play with. You don't play with people's freedom, as in like, I don't play the police war. I don't like that. You don't play with people's freedom. You don't play with people lay them head. That is what I do not like. Yes, your house is supposed to be a sanctuary. That if you go work and come back in, and you're sad, you're stressed, you're depressed, that is where you come and lie down on your ball and pray and talk to God. You understand?
Thank you.
Even if even if them on social media help you, Tikki, whoever help you, that's fine. Them alone can't know what you live. You understand? And I hope you don't make this mistake again. You understand? Me know exactly. Even 99% of what the people must say, no police cannot take you out of that house. If your name is on it, they cannot take you out by law.
No, they never say take out.
But listen, but you see if Tikki, but you see if you can keep on, if the residents listen, you're not gonna prioritize your $200 over fucking $30,000 a month. You have to leave.
No, but the landlord will get
understand?
but they
And I
can't
can
make
bet
reports.
you. Again, I do listen, Tikki. Let me tell you something. I can bet you and give you back change. When you go through that leasing agreement, there are so many things that you don't know that you signed.
I could never sleep with somebody that called police for me.
Yes, there's so much thing that you
Look at them
signed.
in the box, don't go suck them, madam, and so dirty people over there, Jewels. You don't see us so thinking whore in the box, so fuck out prostitute, dirty, nasty, bad mind, y'all.
No, but guess what? You see,
Guys,
all of them nice. All of them nice.
Tikki, calm down. Oh my God, Tikki.
Somebody say them a provoke somebody if you get
Tikki, my God. All right, later, Tikki.
They say them a provoke somebody, and you can't tell him, say, listen me, what you do, Jewels? You're wrong. Why you say you do that, or why you do that, the Jewels? Tikki, you're wrong. Why you say you do that, but you don't quit to say Tikki wrong, Danica, because Cho Tikki are the little one we love cuss. Cho Tikki are the dirty one, Cho Tikki are the ghetto one, according to them. They are the downtown life.
You know why they say you're wrong? You know why them say you're wrong?
Everything they won't go tell me, say me wrong with it.
Tikki them say you're wrong because they like you and they care about you.
No, they
like you and they care about you.
For me come out house, them can't tell him say wrong. Hey, you know, look, hey, me go show no
Listen, they tell you that you're wrong because they actually like you.
Oh, I will use so Oh.
I just think
thank you for your advice, but me not think Tikki want hear nothing. Tikki, please. I know the people them online. I know the people them are gonna get locked up, you know, or send back where they know are going, you know.
Joseph, the thing that I'm saying to Tikki is the mistake that he make, and that's okay. We all make mistakes, you understand? And what I'm asking you to do as a friend, as somebody where you can talk to, I just think you should just listen. I don't know Trev. I don't have anything bad to say about him because I honestly do not know him. If I should say me hate him, I can't say me hate him because I don't know him. And one thing for sure, nobody can tell me to leave nobody when me I talk to. No matter what me and them go through. You know why you like him and him know why him like you, or if him hate you, whatever the case may be. I don't care. The main concern is you're the one who bought cost to cost. You're the one who make with theirs right now. So what I'm trying to say is just keep calm within the area that you're in right now. Understand? Just keep calm. Just the organizing and have to do it. We all know that's how you make your money. You understand? But uno on social media, all on laugh and go on. Uno love when Tikki make up in eyes and ball, and then time get the most gift. You understand?